in the cloning, from where we take the cell is nominated as the mother or the sibling or the
Identical, yeah.
identical.
You mean like
Yeah.
it's the
What is the
cat,
term? Yeah,
the
yeah.
donor cell?
So we take the cell from here, from this
mother,
layer.
yeah, from
This
this.
is also called the mother?
Yeah, gene mother. I think this
Gene mother.
the gene just have a gene mother. Yeah, I think this is the donor.
Yeah, she's donor.
Yeah.
Gene mother, donor. Lashi, so the offspring produced will be like, like her.
Identical.
No, identical, but it will be female or male.
Female.
Your
Because it's contain X.
Yeah.
It is from.
It will be?
Yeah.
X.
No XY.
Signs from mother.
Yeah.
Actually, Lashi, I was, my point was that like if we talk about the nature, you know, in the human or maybe there is a identical twins.
Yeah.
We don't say that this is mother and this is, so we call this twin.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think this
You mean like this gene mother and
Yeah.
this little cute will be the like
Twin,
twin?
twin.
Yeah.
No,
They
no.
can be identical. They can be two because they are eight
Gene
different.
mother.
yeah, instead of mother, if it
Yeah, should be like twin.
Donor.
Donor.
Maybe
Yeah,
donor,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. That's true. That's
You
true.
know.
It's not twins because
Hmm?
age is not the same.
What?
They are not the same age.
Donor.
Yeah, not the
They can
same
be
age.
twins
Yeah.
because they are not the same
Yeah,
age.
yeah.
They are different ages.
Actually, this is like a mother,
Yes.
right? And
Yeah.
this should be like
because
a twin.
mother
Yeah.
definition is something
Oh,
different.
yeah, the different generations.
Yeah,
Yeah.
oocyte and
That's
or
true. Became mother, old-fashioned ways. That's why the first clone cat had three. Oh, okay. This is just like a clone cat have kittens. Yeah. Anyway, so this is a Korean, South Korean scientist, Snuppy, the first male dog clone from adult cells by SCNT. That people also was very exciting. The reason we will talk about later. Family, the Snuppy stands next to the male, and its father from which he was cloned. Yeah, it's still like a father.
Father.
Right? Yeah. Yeah. So the mother was a yellow breeder. So here, as cloning technique used is not efficient. It took nearly 2,000 eggs to make 1,000 embryos, all of which produced just one healthy puppy. So that, clone efficiency is very, very lower right now, still very lower. Since, like a somatic cell reprogramming, the mechanism is still not very clear. So that's also, also a bottleneck of the clone techniques right now for all of the mammals. Right, so this is the dog clone is quite difficult, but still got one, right? So after that, there's more than 20, so far more than 20 mammals were cloned by SCNT method. Even like you can say like camel, buffalo, and fur rat, dog, deer,